start. Okay, start the recording, and now let's go.
I think you've got some stuff in your gift crate.
Probably arcade is going to work well for me. And let's go one arcade,
Grand.
and then on nightmare maybe, and then just randomly select one. Oops, sorry.
Percival.
Whoever that is, and then let's go nightmare. It should be good warm up, no? Si Percival sa nightmare level should be good warm up.
Grand.
Tingnan niya.
Versus
Tingnan natin kung ano
Percival.
meron dyan. Laki ng espada. Lagi.
Believe in victory.
Wala, laki ng karakter.
Engage.
Baka natin agad. Ay!
Great play.
Wagaga!
Great.
Wagaga! Wagaga! Ay! 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 Bastos ka! Animal ka!
Great. Well played.
Ay! Ayo. Yan, namo. Nightmare ka pala, ah!
That was a workout.
Ay, nightmare na pala, ah? Ay, hindi naman manalo sa akin.
Engage.
Iya! Whoop! Ah! Sabi na eh.
Great.
Tado ka. Sure you can! Sure you can! Ah, hindi mabot. Ah, hindi mabot yung baklog. Ayo. Bastos ka. Muntik ako dun, ah.
Great.
Uy! Parang hindi nakasangga yun. Sure you can! Sure you can! Hadouken! Uy! Gago, patay ako. Mali ako ng pindot.
You stand no chance.
Player one.
Nadoble ko yung ano, yung diamond. Nakadalawa agad ako.
Battle 3. Engage.
Yeah! Patay ako!
Great for honor.
Yan, sa'yo yan. Isa pa. Uy, gagi. Hala, lumalaban na. Seryoso na siya. Hala. Hala, seryoso na yung kalaban. Oy, galing. Etong sa'yo! Tawag tayo ng dragon. Ako, di naubos.
Excellent.
Sayang. Patay ako.
Your opponent's bad habits.
Ay, labanan ulit natin. Isa pa.
Believe in victory.
Upaka natin to.
Battle 1. Engage.
Ang dami kasing pinapractice eh.
Well played. Well played. Again.
Mali.
Great. Repent. For honor.
Diyan ka lang. Sure you can. Ay. Gago. Bobo. Ah, bobo ko dun. Di bali na.
Great.
Isa na lang yun eh.
No.
That was a workout.
Pa, isa pa.
Battle 2. Engage.
Yeah! Yeah! Ah, patay ako. Ah!
Great.
Huwag ka kasi magpa-punch habang sumasalag.
Great.
Sure you can. Naggogi lang malala. Mga tayo. Ah, tawid. Isa pa. Sure you can. Isa pa. Again ba? Sabi mo, again. Oh, sure you can. Again. Sure you can. Again.
Well played.
Yan na, tatapos sa'yo. Ha?
Dishonor.
Kala mo, ah? Okay, tama na yun. Isa lang i-record natin.
Knew you could.
I could tell just
Sige,
how
dalawa. Sige,
dedicated he
dagdagan natin
was.
na isa pa.
One
Si...
wrong move, and I would have been toast.
Talaga, si Jita pa.
Grand.
Ito yung pinaka matalik kong kaaway.
Gina.
Turururututun.
Believe in victory.
Ito na.
One.
Attack! Ah! Yeah! Yeah!
Just getting started.
Ay, bali. Ito pa. Yan, isa pa. Isa pa, yan, isa pa. Isa pa, yan, sige. Isa pa. Sige.
Excellent.
Sige.
Down.
Kala mo, ha?
She's a tough one.
Player one.
Pucha, pero pag tao kalaban ko, lamog na lamog ako.
Two.
Attack! Ah! Rico. Wow! Diyan ka lang sa malayo. Ah! Ah! Yung iba talaga to si Jita. Kundi lang kita crush eh.
Great.
Grabe. Wow. Wow. Gagi. Wala na. Ganitohin na natin. Baka makabuelo pa yan. Tapusin na yan.
Your training really paid off. Yo! Now,
What did you say your name was? We've met.
Kadalawa na tayo.
Grand.
Try natin makatatlo.
Versus Galleon.
Sa Nightmare level.
Believe in victory.
Galleon.
Battle
Magaling
one.
kaya to.
Engage.
Ano kaya pang laban nito?
Great.
Oh! Aba! Aba! Eat this!
How unexpected.
Just barely slipped away there.
Player one.
Loko to ha.
Battle two.
Ganun ulit.
Engage. Great. Excellent. Great. Perfect.
Ah, alam mo ha?
perfect. You're amazing.
Gi-perfect ka dyan ah.
Grand. Now that's how
You were taking it easy on
Ilan na
me,
ba?
weren't you,
Tatlo?
Galleon?
Apat? Apat na.
Guess I'll need.
Let's
Grand.
go! Let's go!
Beatrix.
Pag yung computer, kayang-kayang barata ng ganun lang na biglang atak-atak lang eh.
Believe in victory. Battle
Pag
one.
tao to, ewan. Bukas ako magre-record ng tao. Ah! Ay, gagi. Mali ah.
Great. 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 Down.
Yan ka lang.
next round's fine.
Any chance of a break?
Player one. Battle
Di pa kita
two.
ginagamitan ng corner combo ko. Corner combo! Corner combo! Hindi yan. Corner combo. Bugbog ako.
Great.
Corner combo. Ah! Patay ako. Patay tayo dyan. Uy.
Great.
Ganun lang. Puro ganyan-ganyan lang pag computer kalaban. Ah! Ah! Kinorder ako! Oh my god! Oh my goodness!
Excellent.
Diyan ka. Layo!
Blade.
Excellent.
Yan na. Yan na lang. Pwede na yan.
Nice win streak.
Maloko yan ah.
You know, it's
Kinabahan tayo ng
amazing.
konti ah.
Every time life knocks you down, you
Battle
get up
level
strong.
5. Nightmare level.
Versus Metera.
Metche. Ay, pocha. Ito yung may pana na mabilis.
Believe in victory.
Peste yan.
Battle
Peste.
one.
Kaya may takong.
Engage.
Oh.
Now I'm really
Ayun na yung may takong. Ay, hala siya. Ayan na nga, ayan na nga, ayan na nga, ayan na nga. Patay tayo dyan! Yan! Yan lang.
not really in the mood today.
Humihirap nga. Medyo humihirap ng konti.
That wasn't so bad.
Player 1. Battle 2.
Na natin. Papasok to. Bastos, di marunong. Ah!
Great.
Here we are.
Diyan ka sa malayo.
Here we are.
Oh, ayaw na magpa-corner ah. Grabe. Gumaling na ng tuluyan. Di bale,
Wasn't half bad.
kaya natin yan.
Battle 3.
Kaya natin yan.
Here we are.
Diba?
Are you having fun?
Yan ka lang sa corner.
Break if you're tired.
Matera's really earned her reputation.
Battle 6, dalawa na lang. Kaya na. Record na natin lahat.
Grand versus Sandalphon. Believe in victory. Battle 1.
Sandalpon.
Engage.
Sandalpon.
Great.
Ah! Ba, pumapalag to ah.
Excellent.
Ay, bobo ko dun.
Great. Great. Down.
Ah, palag ka pa ah. Siguro si Beelzebub na naman yung ano nito.
Win. Battle 2. Engage.
Palag. Ano? Ay! Nasabit ako. Diyan ka lang. Kaya.
That was exciting. You were on fire from the very
Eto na.
Remember,
Pang-pito na. Isa lang tayo natalo, no? Yung unang-una lang. Ayan. Natalo pa pala.
Believe in victory. Battle 1. Engage.
Subukan. Gago. Diyan ka lang. Noy! Grabe. Ah, hala ka. Wag! Talagang may phobia ako rito kay Beelzebub eh. Ah, kaisa ka lang. Pinaisa lang kita, pinayagan lang kita manalo.
Battle 2. Engage.
Tandaan mo yan, pinayaan lang kita manalo. Pinayaan lang kita manalo. Grabe yun. Hindi na-grab. Hinayaan lang kitang manalo. Wala, di naubos. Wala, di naubos yan. Ay, ano ba yan? Oh. Kala ko kayang ubusin yun.
Player 1. Win. Battle 3.
Wala, may isa pa. Ayaw nga, talo ko isa. Nahawakan. Ayan, hawakan mo yan. Try mo. Yan pa. Yan pa, hawakan mo yan. Eto pa. Sapul yan. Sapul yan, sapul yan. Sapul ako. Lolong klaseng bawas yun. Anong klaseng bawas yun? Ba't ganun? Well, anyways, talo tayo. Wow. Sige, isa pang rematch. Pero, di ba? Oh? Oh, well. Sige, yun na yun. Isang recording lang. Sapat na.